Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add more pages on Notability. So if you have seamless scrolling enabled, Notability will automatically add new page as soon as you reach the bottom of your current one. So let's go to the bottom here. Okay, so this one is a little bit long. This one, for example, as you can see, we have reached the bottom. Now, how to check if you have, go tap the three dots, or uh, you can go here to the monitor, and then let's go to the let's go here to the monitor at the top right corner, then to the view settings, and here you will see seamless or single page. So make sure that you have seamless enabled. And now that you have this, you can simply just write to the bottom here, and then you will create a new page just like that. As you can see, now I have created a new page just like that. So now I have 5 of 6 pages. So yeah, then you can also add manually, if you want to insert a page in the middle of a document or add a specific template. Tap the page manager icon, looks like two stacked papers here at the top right corner. Find the page where you want to add a new one. So just give me a moment here that I delete some of them to try to show you. Come on. Okay, so now let's go, and I want to do here. Alright, so just like that, I will hit here three dots at the bottom left corner, and then I can add page. And now, as you can see here, I have added a new page where I can play with it now if I want. So this is basically it, how you can add pages. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.